Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Linux on a VirtualBox manager. So, not manager, but on in VirtualBox. So what you want to do is open up VirtualBox, which you can install at Oracle's website, and you want to click on New. From there, you want to name it, and we're going to be naming it Ubuntu. And from there, we have to select where we want to save it, and I'll save it in my special folder just for virtual machines. And you want to select the type and the version. After clicking next, you want to select how much MB is allocated for this software that you're installing. And so depending on how much you have, you can either put in like 14,000 MB, or you can put in 1,000 MB, but we're going to be going with 6,000 because we can handle it. After clicking next, you want to select create a virtual hard disk now. Click create and select the first one, which should say VDI, VirtualBox Disk Image. Click next and make sure you select dynamically allocated, and click next again. And you want to select how much GB is allocated for it, and I'm going to select 20. And you want to select which folder to save it in. After clicking create, it'll create the VirtualBox, the virtual machine, and you'll have your own computer inside of a computer. Next, you want to click start, and once you start, you want to make sure you have a version of Ubuntu downloaded, like an ISO file. We already have this downloaded, so we don't have to worry about it. And you want to click on this button to select which version you want to use. And for us, it will be Ubuntu 18.4 desktop ISO, and you want to click start. From there, it'll take a while for it to boot the device, and you should see the screen if you're using a similar software. So once your virtual machine has booted up, you should see a welcome screen with two options: either to try or to install, whether you're using Ubuntu or Linux Mint. So you want to select your language, which is English for us, and you want to click install Ubuntu. After that, you want to select your keyboard layout, and then you want to say normal installation with all third-party softwares installed, and you want to click continue. And from there, you have to click erase disk and install Ubuntu. Now, what I thought when I first saw virtual machines was, will it erase my whole entire hard drive and install Ubuntu on it? No, it's just in that file, so it won't erase your software. You'll be fine. So you want to click install now, and you want to click continue, and select your time zone. And then you can put in your username, password, and all that stuff. And let's put in the password. And from there, you want to click continue, and then it'll install this on your in the file which you selected. So after the installation is complete, you should see this, and you want to click the Restart Now button. After restarting, it will ask you to remove the installation medium, and since you don't have any, just click Enter. After that, you should see a screen like this with your username, and you want to double click on that username and type in your password. there you have it. Then you have your own Linux on your Windows, and it's automatically going to be connected to Wi-Fi, and you can do whatever you want here. Just let's skip this tutorial. And now you have Ubuntu right in your Windows 10, and you can do whatever you want, and you have full access to all the features. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, please like. If you have a question, please leave it in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.